Bago ang inaabangang reunion sa big screen, sa magazine cover shoot muna nagpakilig si Hello Love Again stars Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Ang concept ng isa, inspired sa kanilang mall show recently. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Nag-uumapaw sa chemistry sina Hello Love Again stars Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo sa kanilang latest magazine cover shoot.
We're very grateful kasi at the same time, parang that goes to show that the chemistry was not lost, and for them to be able to say that, at least they are, that goes to show that they're looking forward for the film, and we are very excited as well. Pero yung mga magazine covers and yung ibang engagements na nakikita nyo na magkasama kami, ibang-iba yun sa pelikula.
Ang escalator photo nga nila naging inspirasyon sa kanilang recent mall show sa Iloilo na dinagsa ng libo-libong fans. Viral pa ang mala daredevil pagtalon ni Alden para samahan si Kat sa escalator.
Nag-usap kami na parang utilize namin yung stairs, parang katulad nga dun sa magazine cover na lumabas. And then, parang inisip ko kasi medyo mahaba, kung bababa pa ako and then I had to go up, mas mabilis siguro kasi matatapos na rin yung kanta. Kaya tinalon ko na lang, buti na lang safe.
Mula sa paggawa ng pelikula, hanggang ngayong busy sila sa pagpopromote, never-ending daw ang nadidiscover ni Alden patungkol kay Catherine. Sa tanong kung tingin ba niya ay girlfriend material si Catherine,
Catherine Bernardo is very ideal in a lot of aspects, hindi lang sa pagiging girlfriend. As a person, as a co-worker, as an actress, an ideal woman in general. That's how I would like to leave that.
Sa gitna naman ng pagiging abala sa promo ng pelikula at taping ng pinagbibidahang GMA Prime series family drama na Pulang Araw, may side hustles pa rin si Alden. Pag walang taping, abala siya sa endorsement shoots at blessed daw siya na patuloy na pinagkakatiwalaan ng iba't ibang brands mula sa iba't ibang industriya.
Our industry is very unsure. Parang tomorrow, you're the hottest celebrity there is, and then the next day hindi na. So I consider venturing into business as a safety net for celebrities like myself, kasi you'll never know what will happen.
Aubrey Carampel, updated showbiz happenings.